thigh muscles are very stiff and strong, so they adapt and they walk like this. This is diplegic gait. Both are in hypertonia. The stage is exaggerated over they cross the legs. That same thing like they go like this. This is called Caesar gait. So this is classically seen cerebral palsy. Otherwise, hemiplegic gait. Hemiplegic gait, they have a weakness. So they were, if they have a weakness here, but when they walk, they circumduct. Because they cannot flex. This is extension by around the sorry, this is circumduction gait or hemiplegic gait. Otherwise, Parkinson's gait. Parkinson's gait is they have a shuffling gait. They have a slow space. Their neck will be stooped down, the hands will tremor, hunchback as a tremor, and they walk like this very slowly. And you tell him to turn around. It will take time for that person to turn around because of bradykinesia, tremors, and rigidity. These are the three classical signs of when you have a bradykinesia, tremors, and tremors also, you get a resting tremors. So this is Parkinson's gait. RK gait. High steppage gait. High steppage gait is about when we have a posterior column go on, you get a high step gait. This means sensory ataxia. What they is, if they walk with the eye open, they can walk. Tell him to close his eyes if they arc and tell him to walk. What they do is they step. Why they step posterior column? Because they want to create a vibration. Vibration sense is intact. Only the proprioception is gone. So to be in this spatial space area, they use the vibration sense so that they know where they are. Otherwise, if they don't use it, that's why there is stepping gait, high stepping gait. You are creating a vibration. That's why they are doing that. Argo gait. Argo neuropathic gait. If there is a common parallel they will have a foot drop. Foot drop they can if they do foot drop they cannot dorsiflex. What they do is if they walk, they drag. Because they cannot dorsiflex, only they can do plantar flexion. So they do like this. If you dorsiflexion, dorsiflexion common parallel foot drop.